Benefits of green tea. It may surprise us that green tea and black tea originate from the same exact plant species, Camellia sinensis. Green tea is a type of tea that is made from Camellia sinensis leaves and buds that have not undergone the same withering and oxidation process used to make oolong teas and black teas. Green tea originated in China, but its production and manufacture has spread to other countries in East Asia. Several varieties of green tea exist, which differ substantially based on the variety of C. sinensis used, growing conditions, horticultural methods, production processing, and time of harvest. For green tea, the tea leaves are harvested from the Camellia sinensis plant and are then fast heated either by pan firing or steaming and dried to prevent too much oxidation from occurring that would turn the green leaves brown and alter their fresh picked flavor. The following are some of the benefits that the green tea may have. Contains healthy bioactive compounds. Improves brain function. Increases fat burning. Antioxidants may lower the risk of some cancers. Protects the brain from aging. Reduces bad breath. Helps prevent type 2 diabetes. Helps prevent cardiovascular disease. Help you lose weight. If you like this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe to receive every new one.